protect your system, move on to fastening the door bracket. Center the door bracket on the vertical guide line used for the header bracket installation. Position the bracket on the face of the door. The top edge of the bracket must be 2 to 4 inches below the top edge of the door and directly below any structural support across the top of the door. For one-piece door installation, center the bracket on the top of the door in line with the header bracket. Mark the holes, drill 5/16 inch pilot holes, and fasten the door bracket with the hardware supplied. If the door has no exposed framing, fasten the bracket to the top of the door. Having installed the door bracket, now connect the door arm to the trolley. For sectional doors, make sure the door is fully closed. Pull the manual release handle to disconnect the outer trolley from the inner trolley. Slide the outer trolley away from the door about 2 inches. Fasten the straight door arm section to the outer trolley with a clevis pin. Secure the connection with a ring fastener. Fasten the curved section to the door bracket. Bring the arm sections together, line up 2 pairs of holes, and join the sections. Select holes as far apart as possible to increase the rigidity of the door arm. The trolley position must never be past vertical. If the holes in the curved arm are above the holes in the straight arm, disconnect the straight arm. Cut 6 inches from the solid end and reconnect the trolley with the cut end down. Bring the arms together and line up 2 pairs of holes and join with screw, lock washers, and nuts. For connection to one-piece doors, assemble the door arm by fastening the straight and curved door arm sections together to the longest possible length with 2 or 3 hole overlap. With the door closed, connect the straight door arm section to the door bracket with a clevis pin and secure with a ring fastener. Before connecting the door arm to the trolley, the travel limits must be adjusted. Limit adjustment screws are located on the left side of the panel. Adjustments are made in the door open or closed positions. For the open door adjustment, decrease the up limit by turning the up limit adjustment screw counterclockwise 5 1/2 turns. Press the door control button push bar. The trolley will travel to the fully open position. Manually raise the door to the open position parallel to the floor and lift the door arm to the trolley. The arm should touch the trolley just in back of the door arm connector hole. If the arm does not extend far enough, adjust the limit further. 1 full turn equals 2 inches of trolley travel. For closed door adjustment, turn the down limit adjustment screw clockwise 5 complete turns. Press the door control button push bar. The trolley will travel to the fully closed position. Manually close the door and lift the door arm to the trolley. The arm should touch the trolley just ahead of the door arm connector hole. If the arm is behind the connector hole, adjust the limit further. 1 full turn equals 2 inches of trolley travel. Now you're ready to connect the door arm to the trolley. Close the door and join the curved arm to the connector holes in the trolley with the remaining clevis pin. It may be necessary to lift the door slightly to make the connection. Secure with a ring fastener. Run the opener through a complete travel cycle. If the door has a slight backward slant in full open position, decrease the up limit until the door is parallel to the floor.